to the Georgia coast where it's warm for 8 months out of the year. We've got so many activities for you to participate in, and you're definitely going to want to take advantage of all of them. Get outside because adventure awaits. Go fishing, set up the RV, go camping, or set up a picnic at Holbrook Pond and Lots Island. These hidden gems offer tranquility for those times when you need to unplug and reconnect. The outdoor adventure centers offer an array of shooting sports such as skeet, trap, small arms ranges, and paintball for individual or group outings. If you need equipment to enjoy the outdoors, we offer tents, kayaks, paddleboards, boats, grills, coolers, and more for rent at the Low Country Adventure Centers. Be sure to ask about our Warrior Adventure Quest program for units coming home from deployments. Practice land navigation and targeting, or just have fun and relax at either Taylor's Creek Golf Course or Hunter Golf Course. Both of our 72 par courses have driving ranges, cold beverages, and snacks available for you or your unit outings. If you've never experienced foot golf, get ready for a whole new way to play. From hard copy to audiobooks, movies to video game rentals, online resources to online content, Hayes Library on Fort Stewart continues to support our community for literary resources. Don't get stuck taking your vehicle off post. With 28 bays at Libby Auto on Fort Stewart, 16 bays at Hunter Auto, we are your spots for your automotive needs. For the DIY mechanics, we have bay rentals starting at just $7 an hour. Our friendly, knowledgeable mechanics can work on virtually any car, truck, or SUV, from diagnostics, oil and fluid changes, alignments, balances, engine tune-ups, and more. Libby and Hunter Auto are here for you. From free weights, circuit training, fitness classes, to function fitness, Family and MWR keeps you ready with Tominac Fitness Center on Hunter and any of our 4 fitness centers on Fort Stewart. Throughout the year, we offer many intramural and Commander's Cup sports. Perfect if you're looking to meet new people or compete as a unit. Motivation is what gets you started, habit is what keeps you going. Make it happen. If you're looking to explore the coastal empire, take a trip to the Great Smoky Mountains, embark on a cruise, or visit all of the excitement in Orlando, book it on over to Leisure Travel before you buy anything. Along with discounts, they have the inside scoop on where to stay and play while you get away. Let's go bowling. Marne Lanes Bowling Center is a 36-lane facility that just so happens to serve the best wings and pizza in town. This place has it all: drop zone esports gaming pods, billiards, arcade, full surround sounds for PPV events, league bowling, and weekly specials. If you're looking for a great place to hang out or host a party, Marne Lanes Bowling Center has something for everyone. Whether it's a casual lunch, brunch, working lunch, private events, in-house or to-go catering, Club Stewart is your one-stop shop. Our made-to-order lunch and second Sunday brunch offers fresh seasonal favorites. Dine in or to go, our Club Stewart friendly staff is here to make it fresh every time. Their everything included pricing now makes catering simple. Stop by today. So there you have it. You can visit us at stewart-hunter.armymwr.com or stay connected with us through Facebook. Hope you have a great rest of your day.